So today let's discuss on back problem. Seems to be major concern, be youngsters, middle age or the old age. So there are very simple exercises which is right in your hands to remove that condition. And what are they? Let's check it out. So the first basic one which anybody can do, lie down. Even you can lie down on your bed, but make sure the mattress is not of the spring one. Cup your chin and stay in this position, and holding this position is also helping for your lower back to contract the muscles and strengthen it. And once you get comfortable, one more point to be added, you can adjust the position of your elbows. If you find some kind of strain on the lower back, you can move your elbows forward or back, and then afterwards you start curling your leg towards your hip. Bring the heel as close as possible towards the hip. Not necessary, don't force it, let it be a free movement and keep looking straight, just relax. Doesn't it remind you of your younger days where we all used to do this and our parents used to stop, don't move your legs? But now this is the best thing to strengthen your lower back. And once you get comfortable, you can bring both legs together and take it out gently. Don't give any jerky movements, go gently and enjoy it. And do this for 10 to 15 seconds and then you are done. Now let's move on to the next, another simple variation. We can lie down. Ensure to place the fingertips directly under the shoulder and don't open your arms. Bring them close to your upper body. Now from here, first raise your forehead, your chin, upper shoulder and come up till your belly button. Hold it, and here the mistake most of us do is pushing the shoulders up and doing this. Do not do it. Relax your shoulders and lift as much as you're comfortable up to your belly button. So here the point to notice, both the feet should be together, toes pointing out. So position of your hands, your head, forehead up, chin up, shoulders up to the belly point. Don't open your elbows and don't shrug your shoulders. Stay here and don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, couple of movements and gently release. Now in this variation, once you get comfortable, add a little more challenging. In the position, what we are doing, the toes are still tucked out. You are lifting up a little more and you can even lift your knees off the floor and look up at the ceiling and without holding your breath. Stay there for 10 counts and gently release your knees, release and release your. Once you are done, practice this for 5 reps and gently sit back on your heel, stretch your arms forward and feel the lengthening of your back muscles. Just roll forward and hold the stretch. So simply by doing these simple exercises, you can see the difference and you have n number of variations which are very easy to execute. So let's try this now and we'll come up with more variations in future.